Are you struggling to manage a chronic condition? You're not alone. A healthy meal plan can be a game changer, helping you take control of your health and feel better every day. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to create a meal plan that works for you, so you can enjoy delicious food while effectively managing your chronic disease. Let's get started. Understand your dietary needs. Understanding your dietary needs is the first step to crafting a healthy meal plan. Each chronic condition, like diabetes, heart disease, or hypertension, comes with specific dietary requirements. For example, if you have diabetes, monitoring carbohydrate intake is crucial. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help you tailor your plan to suit your unique needs. What specific dietary advice have you received from your healthcare provider that's helped you manage your condition? Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Next up is focusing on nutrient-dense foods. These are foods that provide more nutrients per calorie, helping you get the most out of what you eat. Think whole grains, lean proteins, colorful fruits, and vegetables. For instance, leafy greens like spinach are fantastic for their anti-inflammatory properties, while whole grains help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Balancing macronutrients, carbs, proteins, and fats in your meals is also essential for keeping your energy levels up and your body functioning well. What are your favorite nutrient-dense foods that you include in your meals? Plan balanced meals. Now let's talk about planning balanced meals. A great rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the other quarter with whole grains or healthy carbohydrates. This simple structure not only helps you manage your chronic disease, but also ensures you're getting a variety of nutrients. Remember to keep an eye on portion sizes. They play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy diet. How do you typically balance your meals to ensure you're getting enough nutrients? Incorporate variety. Incorporating variety into your meals is the key to staying motivated and satisfied. Eating a range of foods ensures you're not only meeting your nutrient needs, but also enjoying your meals. Try to introduce new foods regularly. Perhaps have a theme night, like Meatless Monday, or explore different cuisines. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are a great way to keep your meals fresh and exciting while providing essential nutrients. What new foods or recipes have you tried recently that you really enjoyed? Create a weekly meal plan. Creating a weekly meal plan is a fantastic way to stay organized and ensure you're eating healthily. Start by choosing a day each week, maybe Sunday, to plan your meals. Look up recipes that fit your dietary needs and preferences. After you've selected your meals, make a shopping list of all the ingredients you'll need. Consider batch cooking or prepping some meals in advance to save time during the busy week ahead. This will help you stick to your plan and make healthier choices, even when life gets hectic. Do you have any meal prep tips or favorite recipes that you like to include in your weekly plan? Snack wisely. Snacking wisely is an important part of managing your health. Healthy snacks can keep your energy levels up and help maintain stable blood sugar. Opt for snacks that are nutrient-dense, like nuts, yogurt, or sliced veggies with hummus. Planning your snacks just like your meals will help you avoid reaching for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. What are your go-to healthy snacks that help you stay energized throughout the day? Listen to your body. Listening to your body is crucial when it comes to managing a chronic condition. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Are there certain foods that give you more energy or help stabilize your symptoms? Being mindful of your body's responses can help you make informed decisions and adjust your meal plan as needed for optimal health. How do you tune into your body's signals when it comes to food and nutrition? In conclusion, creating a healthy meal plan is a powerful tool for managing chronic diseases. Remember to understand your dietary needs. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, plan balanced meals, and listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. I'd love to hear about your meal planning experiences, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and strategies to manage chronic conditions.